Welcome back to Darshan channel. Today in this video I'll be discussing the quality, quantity and distribution of categorical prepositions. So I have already made a separate video on categorical prepositions. So if you want to learn more about categorical preposition you can go and check that video. So आज के वीडियो में we are going to discuss the quality, the quantity and distribution of categorical preposition. So I'll start with what categorical prepositions are just as a revision. So it is a preposition that can be analyzed as being part of the classes or categories, affirming or denying that one class as being the subject term is included in some other class P predicate term in whole or in part. So categorical preposition के 4 types होते हैं. A, E, I, O prepositions stand A, that is all SSP, quantifier, subject term, predicate term, and this is called as the copula. So these are the 4 types of categorical prepositions. Now let's move to the main topic, which is the quality first. So let's just see the definition. It is an attribute of every categorical preposition determined by whether the preposition affirms or denies the class inclusion. Thus, every categorical preposition is either affirmative quality or negative quality. So if you see, we have 4 types of categorical preposition: A, E, I and O preposition. So affirmative में आपका A preposition और I preposition आ जाएगा और नेगेटिव में आपका E and O preposition आ जाएगा. So it means that you're affirming something, right? A preposition जैसे all humans are mortal या फिर all leaves are green. So these are some of the example which you can take. So in this case we have two, affirmative and negative, and affirmative के अंदर we have I preposition and A preposition, and in case of negative we have E and O. So this is very easy. Now let's move to the quantity. Quantity में आपका क्या आता है? Quantity में an attribute of every categorical preposition determined by whether the preposition refers to all member or only some member of the class designed by the subject term. Thus, every categorical preposition is either universal or particular. So quantity के अंदर we have two things, universal and particular. So in case of universal we have A preposition and E preposition, and particular के अंदर आपका I and O preposition आता है. So this is also easy to understand. So we have universal and particular. Universal में we have two prepositions and particular में we have two prepositions. Now let's move to the next point, that is distribution. So this is very important, the distribution part. An attribute that describes the relationship between a categorical preposition and each one of its term meaning the subject and the predicate term, indicating whether or not the preposition makes a statement about every member of the class represented by the given term. So again we'll see some example and this will be also clear. So this line is important, every member of the class. So we'll see if every member of the class is being included or not. So let's start with the first one, preposition and its meaning. So what does a preposition, जैसे आपका A preposition है, right? So what does it mean? So meaning is also given here. Every member of S, so in this case every member of S class is a member of P class, that is the S class is included in P class. So जो आपका S class है, S class meaning the subject term is included in the predicate term. So that is first the meaning of the A preposition. Moving to the E preposition, we have no SRP. So no member of the S class is a member of P class, that is the S class is excluded from P class. So again जो आपका S class है और जो आपका P class है, that is being excluded. Now some again it's easy to understand. At least one member of the S class is a member of the P class. So at least one member, because some SRP. So we are talking about some. At least one member of the S class is a member of P class. And some not वाला केस आ जाता है O के preposition में, some S is not P. So in this particular case we have at least one member of S class is not a member of P class. So we have P class. So this is what the preposition's actual meaning is. So it's easy to understand if you understand the meaning of the preposition. Now let's move to some example. Let's start with the first one. Let's see. First, this is a preposition. A preposition आपका क्या होता है? It is universal in nature. It is universal in nature, and at the same time it is affirmative. So these are known as universal affirmative preposition. It is universal and it is affirmative. So it is universal affirmative preposition. All SRP. So let's try to understand this one with the help of an example. So the example given here is all bananas are fruit. So this is the subject term, this is the predicate term. So let's take this one as the subject and this as the predicate. So this is Venn diagram. We'll trying to understand it through a Venn diagram. So in this particular case, let's try to understand कौन सा term आपका distributed है. So if you will see, all bananas are fruits. So let's say S आपका bananas and then we have P as fruits. So all S is P, meaning that all S का जितना भी part है, that is being included in P. Or we can also draw the diagram in this way. Let's say this is S being the bananas and ये आपका fruits F, that is the predicate term. So all S is present in P. So ये जो आपका subject term है वो आपका distributed है. So the subject term is distributed here. So we can draw the Venn diagram in this way, right? जो आपका actual Venn diagram draw होगा वो इस तरह होगा. So to understand it, you can also draw it like this. Chalo, let's move to the next one. Now, no SRP. So let's try to understand. This is again no, universal in nature. No meaning it's negative, right? So it is universal negative. So again it is what? Universal negative. So no bananas are fruits. So again let's take this one as bananas and this as fruits. This being the subject and this being the predicate term. So again this part you can just shade this part. मतलब this part is not included. Shading का मतलब है it's not included. So you can either draw the circle एक यहाँ पे and एक ऐसे. So you can S and P. So these are not included. So ये आपका next Venn diagram हो जाएगा. So in this particular case both bananas and fruits are distributed. तो ये आपका जो banana है that is subject term and fruit जो आपका predicate term है वो दोनों आपका इस case में distributed है. चलो, now let's move to the next case, that is I preposition. So I preposition में it is particular in nature because we are talking about at least one, some के case में, and this is some SRP, meaning it is affirmative. So it is particular affirmative. I preposition is particular affirmative. So again let's take the same example. So यहाँ पे we are talking about some bananas are fruit. So यहाँ पे आपका जो I preposition और O preposition होगा उसको हम X से represent करेंगे. So we'll represent it with the help of an X. So we are saying that some. So again you are not including every member of it, right? Every member of the class. So again इस case में if you'll see the definition, so if you are seeing the definition, every member of the class. So every member of the class should be included or excluded, right? So every member is not included. So some, right? So ये वाला case जो आपका हो जाएगा इसमें दोनों आपका डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड नहीं होगा. सब्जेक्ट टर्म भी डिस्ट्रीब्यूट नहीं है और प्रेडिकेट टर्म दोनों टर्म आपका डिस्ट्रीब्यूट. नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट केस, दैट इज ओ प्रपोजिशन सम एस इज नॉट पी. सम एस इज नॉट पी के केस में so some bananas are not fruits, an example is given. So this is O preposition, some है, that means this is particular in nature because we are talking about some, right? We are talking about at least one. So ये आपका particular case हो गया. And then we have not as well, that means it is negative in nature. So let's see the example. Some bananas are not fruits. So in this particular case, let's take this one as the subject and this as the predicate. bananas as the subject and fruits as the predicate. So इस particular case में the point is some bananas are not fruits. So this is the bananas and ये आपका fruits आ गया, right? So it's saying that some bananas, ये bananas are not fruit, meaning that the x should be here. ठीक है, so the x should be here. सो सम बनानास आर नॉट फ्रूट में आपका जो x है, मीनिंग जैसे सम में हम लोग x से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, जैसे आपका यूनिवर्सल था उसमें यू शेड द पार्ट मीनिंग दैट दिस पार्ट इज़ नॉट इंक्लूडेड, यहाँ पे भी दिस पार्ट इज़ नॉट इंक्लूडेड, बट इन केस ऑफ सम आई प्रपोजिशन वी आर इंक्लूडिंग, सो x आप यूज़ करते हो, सम एस एस पी, यहाँ पे सम एस एस नॉट पी राइट, सो वी आर इंक्लूडिंग दिस पार्ट. So यहाँ पे जो आपका predicate term है that is being distributed because the whole predicate term, right, the whole predicate term is being excluded. So some bananas are not fruit में जो आपका predicate term है that is distributed. Let's see an easy way to remember it also. जो भी आपका universal cases है, so जैसे आप we have a preposition and then we have e preposition distributes the subject term, उसमें हमेशा subject term distributed हो, एंड जो नेगेटिव डिस्ट्रीब्यूट्स दी प्रेडिकेट. सो जो आपका नेगेटिव टर्म होता है ई एंड ओ प्रपोजिशन वो आपका प्रेडिकेट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करता है. सो यू हैव टू मेमोराइज द होल थिंग. यूनिवर्सल से सब्जेक्ट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो रहा है एंड नेगेटिव से आपका प्रेडिकेट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो रहा है. सो दिस शुड बी एन ईजी वे टू रिमेंबर. सो अगेन यूनिवर्सल में आपका आ जाता है ए प्रपोजिशन एंड ई प्रपोजिशन, सो उस केस में सब्जेक्ट्स आपका डिस्ट्रीब्यूट है. एंड इन केस ऑफ नेगेटिव वी ऑलरेडी हैव ई एंड ओ में आपका प्रेडिकेट टर्म भी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड है, एंड अगेन ई इज नेगेटिव, सो यहाँ पे भी प्रेडिकेट टर्म डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड है. सो दिस इज इट. नाउ लेट्स सी. This is a summary of the whole thing. So we have the preposition all S is P, no S is P, some S is P, some S is not P. And what are the letter names? A, E, I and O preposition. Quantity, it's easy to understand. These two are universal in nature and some I and O prepositions are particular in nature. And what about the quality? The quality of all SSP is affirmative. Some SSP is again affirmative. No SSP, so we are including no, meaning that it is negative. Some S is not P, again it is negative in nature. And again distribute, in case of universal only the subject term is distributed. In case of universal subject is distributed but it is negative also, so predicate भी आपका distributed होना चाहिए. And in case of some SSP neither of the term is distributed. When some S is not P में only P is distributed. Let's try to solve the exercise. So in exercise what we'll be trying to do is we'll try to find the quality, the quantity and the distribution. So for that first we have to identify some presidential candidates will be sadly disappointed people. So in this case ये आपका जो है subject term हो जाएगा, this would be your copula and this would be your predicate term. Now you know that this is an I preposition. I preposition meaning that this is particular in nature and this is affirmative. So this is particular affirmative. So I'm not writing it pura, but this is particular and affirmative in nature. Now you know that जो आपका I preposition है इसमें subject term and predicate term दोनों आपका distribute नहीं होता है. ठीक है. Now let's move to the next case. All meaning that this is a preposition. Those who died in Nazi concentration camp, meaning this is the subject term. यहाँ पे this is copula, victims of the cruel and irrational tyranny. So again if you will see here, so this is the predicate term. So यहाँ पे victims से यहाँ पूरा आपका predicate term हो जाएगा, ये आपका subject term हो जाएगा. So now in this case you know that a preposition is universal and it is affirmative in nature, and at the same time your subject term is distributed here. So you have to write it properly. जैसे let's say इस case में हम लोग लिखते हैं. So first what you will be writing, first some है, that means it is particular in nature. and then you know, okay, this is not, some not, meaning this is I preposition. I preposition, that is negative in nature, so you have to write it as negative. And the third thing is, in case of O preposition, so this should be O preposition, sorry, some recently identified unstable elements were not entirely accidental discoveries, meaning that this is O preposition. So O preposition में it is particular, it is negative, and your predicate term is distributed. So again, this has to be written like this. Moving to the next one, so again some है, some members of the military industrial complex are mild mannered people to whom violence is abhorrent. So again यहाँ पे this is subject, this is the predicate term, and this is I preposition, meaning this is particular in nature, and this is affirmative, and at the same time neither the subject nor the predicate is distributed. So again next में आपका no है, no meaning that it is E preposition. E preposition is आपका universal negative in nature, and both subject and predicate term, जैसे leaders of the feminist movement, ये आपका subject term हो गया and ये आपका predicate term हो गया. So both are distributed. So you have to write it properly. First you have to write it that it is particular, in this case it is universal negative in nature, and both the subject and the predicate term are distributed. Now again the last question. So again if you see till here, it is the subject term and उसके बाद पूरा आपका predicate term हो जाएगा, and this is all, meaning that it is in the form of all SRP. Subject and predicate term में only the subject term is distributed. So subject term is distributed, and if you are not able to remember it, so in case of universal, subject term is distributed. In case of negative, only the predicate term is distributed. So यहाँ पे ये आपका all है, subject term should be distributed because it is not negative, negative नहीं है तो predicate term आपका distribute नहीं होगा. So this is again an easy way to remember, but again obviously you have to understand the concept behind it. So next question में again no है, meaning that it is E preposition, which is universal, which is negative, and both the subject and predicate are distributed, meaning that this is the subject and ये पूरा आपका predicate हो जाएगा. So both S and P आपका subject and predicate distributed होगा. So यहाँ पे I'm just writing U and N, but you have to write it universal and negative. In the next question, some advocates of major political, पूरा आपका subject term हो गया, not responsible for maintaining status, ये आपका predicate term हो गया, and again this is not है, so just be careful, not है, that is O preposition, meaning that it is particular and it is negative, and at the same time only the predicate term जो आपका है that is distribution. And in the last all आपका given है new labor saving devices subject, this is copula and this is the predicate term. So all है, that means the subject term is distributed. So the exercise is also quite easy to understand. I hope it is clear, and if you have any further doubt, please message me in the message box. Thank you so much for listening. Like, share and subscribe.